When machining disc ring parts, shaft sleeve parts and motor shell parts with rotary surface characteristics, the high-efficiency machining of rotary features should be completed on the turning machine, and the other features are completed on the milling machining center. In order to reduce process flow, achieve process consolidation, and improve the parts processing accuracy, the Mill-Turning Composite Machining Center or the Turn Milling Composite Machining Center is used to process such parts in the industry, and complete the processing of all features on a single equipment. Although the above two types of equipment can achieve the combination of turning and milling operations, but the application scenario is slightly different. The former takes the milling machining center as the platform to increase the turning function, so it is suitable for parts with rotary characteristics and more details. The latter takes the turning machine tool as the platform, increases the milling function, and is more suitable for the processing of slender bushing parts. The MRMT300, launched by Beijing JingDiao, is a micron-level 5-axis mill-turning composite machining center, which realizes turning in 5-axis positioning or 5-axis linkage milling processing. And the processing accuracy of key features can reach micron level. The machine can process a maximum workpiece diameter of 400 mm and can carry a maximum workpiece mass of 50 kg. Next, let us experience the processing capacity of this equipment through two practical cases. This is a new energy vehicle motor shell, whose inner cavity is composed of 5 cylinders of different diameters and 1 transition cone. MRMT300 adopts an efficient mill-turning compound processing mode to turn the inner cavity and the upper end face, and complete milling, drilling, tapping and other processing of other angular features of the parts. The processing time of a single piece is only 11 minutes, and the coaxiality between the cylinders in the inner cavity is less than 5 microns. This is a general mechanical part. Processing features include outer circle, inner circle, end groove, contour groove, threaded hole and through hole, etc. MRMT300 is used to complete the processing of all features. A single piece takes only 44 minutes. The key dimensional accuracy is less than 5 micrometers. Why can this equipment efficiently achieve micron mill-turning composite processing? JingDiao spokesman reveals the secret for you. The machine structure ensures mill-turning composite processing. Equipment adopts moving beam gantry structure. Large working space. Support the use of long tools, suitable for turning parts with cavity characteristics, but also can realize milling, drilling, tapping and other composite processing technology. The key components to realize mill-turning composite processing. JingDiao JD50 CNC system not only supports the realization of 5-axis milling function, but also supports the turning function, and supports the constant line speed turning, tool error compensation and other professional turning functions. JingDiao mill-turning composite motorized spindle milling is achieved by tool rotation in milling mode, and lock the tool in turning mode to achieve efficient, stable and powerful turning processing. It has been proved that the spindle can remove up to 210 cubic centimeters per minute when 45 steel is turned. JingDiao high-speed direct drive turntable, A-axis is drive by double motor, to ensure the good motion performance in 5-axis linkage processing of large quality workpiece. C-axis speed up to 2000 R/min, in the turning mode, can drive the workpiece to do high-speed rotation movement, to ensure high-speed turning line speed. JingDiao chain-type tool magazine capacity of 51 PCS, to meet the tool needs of mill-turning composite processing. Ensure the smoothness of mill-turning composite processing. Equipped with JingDiao chain plank type chip removal and filtration system to achieve efficient removal and filtration of various forms of chips in turning and milling.